Hello students, today we are going to study nature and purpose. This is a chart which is showing business activities. Business is divided into two main parts, that is industry and commerce. Industry is divided into three main parts: primary industry, secondary and tertiary. Primary is divided into two parts, extractive and genetic. Secondary is divided into two parts, manufacturing and construction. Again, manufacturing is divided into four parts: analytical, synthetical, processing and assembling. Commerce is divided into two main parts, trade and auxiliaries to trade. Trade is divided into two parts, internal and external trade. Internal is divided into two main parts, wholesale and retail. External is divided into three main parts, import, export and intraport. Auxiliaries to trade is divided into five main parts: transportation, warehouse. Now let us understand industry. Industry includes all those activities through which the raw material is converted into finished product. In other words, industry means the production and manufacturing of goods. Through industry, the things bestowed by nature are made capable of being used by creating form utility. Three types of goods are manufactured in the industry: producers or capital goods. Those things which are used in production by other industries are called capital goods, such as machinery, plant, implements, etc. Consumer goods. Those things which are directly put to use are called consumers goods, like bread, cloth, medicines, etc. Intermediate goods. Some industries manufacture such goods as are processed in some other industry to produce some need-based goods. Such goods are called intermediate goods. For example, they include plastic, rubber, aluminium, etc. The primary industry includes those activities through which the natural resources are used to provide raw material to other industries. The primary industries are of two types: genetic industries. The genetic industry refers to those industries under which the breed of animals and vegetables are improved and made more useful. They include animal husbandry, poultry, tree planting, etc. Extractive industry. Extractive industry refers to those industries under which something is extracted out of the earth, water or air. For example, coal, iron, gas, etc. are extracted from the earth. Stone is taken out of the quarries. Food grains and other products are obtained from agriculture. Now come to secondary industry. Under secondary industry, new products are manufactured by using the previously produced things. For example, producing cotton is a primary industry and manufacturing cloth out of cotton is a secondary industry. The secondary industry are of two types: manufacturing industry and constructive industry. Manufacturing industry. The manufacturing industry means those industries wherein raw material and semi-finished material are used with the help of man and machine to bring out the finished goods. For example, cloth from cotton, steel from iron ore, sugar from sugarcane, paper from bamboo, cement from stone, etc. The manufacturing industry are of four types: analytical industry, processing industry, synthetical industry and assembling industry. Analytical industry. Under this, many things are manufactured out of one thing. For example, petrol, diesel, gasoline, etc. are produced out of crude oil. Processing industry. Processing industry includes those industries wherein useful things are manufactured by making the raw material pass through different production process. For example, manufacturing sugar from sugarcane. Synthetic industry. Under this industry, many raw materials are mixed to produce a more useful product. For example, cement is manufactured by mixing limestone, gypsum and coal. Assembling industry. In this category, those industries are included wherein the parts manufactured by different industries are assembled to produce new and useful product. For example, cycle, radio, television, computer, scooter, etc. Constructive industry. Under these industries, constructive works are done by using the things produced by other industries. For example, by using cement, iron, bricks, wood, etc., building bridges, roads, dams, etc. are constructed. These industries produce things which are of permanent nature and which are used mostly for public welfare. Tertiary industry. Tertiary industries are also called service industries. Service industry includes those services which help business to move unhindered, remove hindrances. For example, transport, bank, insurance, advertisement, storage, etc. These days, all these services are called industry. For example, transport industry, banking industry, insurance industry, advertisement industry, warehousing industry. There are many hindrances in business. These hindrances and the services which remove these hindrances are the following. Hindrances in taking things from one place to another. This hindrance is removed with the help of the transport industry. Hindrance of finance. It is removed with the help of the banking. Hindrance of risk. It is removed with the help of insurance industry. Hindrance of communication. It is removed with the help of the advertisement industry. Hindrance of storage of goods. It is removed with the help of warehousing. So let us recapitulate what we have understood today. Business, which is divided into two main parts, and the first part we have studied today, that is industry, which is mainly divided into three main parts: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary is divided into two parts: extractive and genetic. Secondary is divided into two parts: manufacturing and construction. Again, manufacturing is divided into four main parts: analytical, synthetical, processing and assembling. So students, the first part we have completed. In the next class we will complete commerce. Thank you students.